Well, we're out camping,
Oh,
and I want cookies.
cookies.
I
Chocolate
don't,
chip?
yeah,
Yeah.
chocolate chip, but I don't want bar cookies. I want round cookies.
Oh, well, we're good. We're covered. I got you covered.
You do how?
Yep. Well, we're gonna make it simple. We actually brought some pre-made cookies that you just kind of cut apart and put them out on a cookie sheet and bake them. But since we don't have a cookie sheet, we're gonna use the Cook It All.
So we're gonna get the cookies cut apart and show you how we do it.
First, we have to start some charcoal. So
Yeah.
we'll be right back.
Well, as you can tell, we had a very big mouse named Eric Monkton got into our cookies. But what I've done here is I've made two aluminum foil cookie sheets, because you got to have either parchment papers, we didn't have that here, or cookie sheets so you can slide them in and slide them off when they're ready. When you're cooking them, it makes it a whole lot easier.
Multiple batches, especially,
Yes,
right? Huh?
yes. So we're gonna have at least 2 batches. I don't know how many since Eric's been into it. But once the briquettes are ready, we'll start baking.
And they're going. They're not ready yet, though. All right, let me get the wind guard out of the way. We're definitely going to need that today because it's definitely windy this afternoon. And we've got the Cook It All set up with the griddle part. And we got it sitting on a lid. So if you can see underneath there, Angel, we got it on a lid stand. Okay. So now I'm going to dump out the extra ash off of this. Tongs. I'm going to dump out the charcoal. Dump some out in here and I'm going to distribute it. I don't want it to fall off this stuff. Lip around the outside of these.
Now, how are you judging how many briquettes you need for this Cook It All? It's what size?
It's basically a 14-inch. So
Dutch oven, right?
yeah, I'm going to treat this a 14-inch Dutch oven. So we're going to try with 38 pieces. We got a little more air gap under here than we do on the Dutch oven with regular legs. So, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now we're going to preheat this oven just like you would at home. We're going to let it sit there about 5 minutes and warm up. And then we're going to put our first batch of 10 cookies on there. Instead of getting 24 out, thank you, Eric, we're only getting 20 cookies.
That'll get enough for what we're going to be. Just you and me, good thing. Now, just like a Dutch oven, we're going to put them in heavy ring around the outside. Put some in the middle. We haven't used this a lot for cooking, but we've done cookies a couple of times, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
And
I mean, bar cookies are not bad, but every once in a while you just want a round cookie.
individual cookie, a little bit better texture for the outside.
Now, one thing I want to caution you, if you're using that Cook It All as a wok and using briquettes, do not put any briquettes in the middle and turn it over, because that'll kill your briquettes. I discovered that the hard way.
Don't need very much in the heat wise in the center anyway, on the bottom when you're doing it. So what do you think, Angel? Gonna try that?
Yeah,
just leave it that way.
I think we'll just leave it that way.
Get this wind guard around.
Yeah, we don't want to ruin our
the wind.
coals.
Wind is one of our worst enemies. So put that wind guard on.
Well, I think our oven is ready to go. I'm hoping I can do this without gloves. One thing about this Cook-It-All is it's got these nice little grips.
Get a little closer look at them. They're kinda
So
heavy.
you grab a hold of here and here. I'm gonna bring this over here and set it down on the table.
For a short while.
But yeah, we don't want to burn the table. And then, now this is not like a cookie sheet at home. You gotta slide it off onto there. Need a little bit big.
It's all right, it'll smush down underneath. It's a real thin layer, so it'll flatten out good and keep a good seal, because that's
Now,
the main thing.
you don't want to put your handles together. You'll have a hard time getting it off.
Yeah, it's in the top and the bottom of the...
Yeah, I got it on there good. Now,
Yep.
we gotta set our timer for 12 minutes. See? Can you see that? Does it say 12 minutes?
I think so. Kind of got a shadow, so get her going.
Yep.
All right.
We'll be back when it's time to put the next batch on. Okay, second batch should be done. Yep, they are. And honey, you were right. We needed to do just that. Put them in a little bit.
Just a little bit closer in.
All right, we're gonna let them cool a minute, and then we're gonna taste test them.
And with that foil on there,
We
getting in the
have no
shadow,
cleanup.
no cleanup on that. That's kind of nice. And we figured that with that foil or probably parchment paper might even work better. That
Flip that around.
it works good, that we can actually slide it off and put another one on. Everything's preheated, and we can do multiple batches.
The first time we used this, we have 2 Cook-It-Alls. And the first time we were gonna do it, we were gonna just switch out the base.
Yeah.
And that did not
Because
work.
the base is cold,
The one that we weren't using
yeah.
was cold.
and this time works better to have it preheated.
And
so.
they're hard to get off, too. You have to let it totally get cool to get them off. So this just works out a whole lot better.
Yeah. So we're gonna go let them cool for a few minutes, and then we'll give them a sample.
Boy, am I ready for a bite of cookie.
Yep. They're ready. See, first batch is cool enough we can give a sample. Second batch is still cooling.
Mmm.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm. Try one.
Oh, this right in the middle.
All right. What do you think?
It's like a pretty awesome
Chocolate chip cookie.
chocolate chip cookie.
Now, right about does it on this weekend getaway. This is actually a family favorite chocolate chip cookie.
Yep.
We can't keep them in the house. So if you like this video and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and share. And have a great time. Hope you make cookies out on your next camping trip.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.